Have you watched that new superhero movie yet? It's so good.
No, not yet. I've been wanting to see it though. Is it as awesome as everyone says?
Oh, definitely! The action scenes are incredible and the special effects are out of this world.
Sounds amazing. I'll have to watch it this weekend.
You totally should. It's a must watch.
Hey, speaking of must watch, do you understand how to make sentences negative in English?
Oh yeah, I do. It's not too hard once you get the hang of it. Let me break it down for you. Making sentences negative is like adding a twist to them. We usually use the word not to do this. For instance, she does not like spiders. He did not finish his homework. And we are not going to the movies.
Ah, I see. So, you just add not after the verb.
Exactly. But sometimes it gets a bit more complicated. Like in case of will be and shall be, we put not after will or shall.
Oh, like he will be present at the occasion is changed to he will not be present at the occasion.
Exactly. You know, when the verb consists of more than one word, like is playing or will be eating, we add not after the first word. For example, she is not playing, he will not be eating, and they have not finished.
Got it? So, it's like not goes after the first word of the verb phrase.
Exactly. And there are different rules for different tenses. In the simple present tense, we use do not or does not to make negative sentences. For example, I do not understand, she does not like broccoli, and we do not have any pets.
Ah, so it's do not for most subjects and does not for he, she and it.
Exactly. And when we're talking about the past, we use did not. In the simple past tense, we use did not to make negative sentences. For example, I did not see him, she did not finish her homework, and they did not go to the party.
Got it. Did not for everything in the past.
Exactly. And one more thing. Negative commands or imperatives in imperative sentences, which are commands or requests, we use do not or don't to make negative commands. For example, do not touch the stove, don't forget to turn off the lights, and do not run in the hallway.
Ah, I see. Do not or don't for commands. That's important to remember.
Exactly. Now you've mastered the art of negative sentences.